People respect me differently. This wig combined with my scrubs, oh my goodness, people go crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today in this video, I'm showing y'all this real quick, easy wig from Sensational. It is a synthetic wig, but it was really quick and easy. I was wearing this wig to work for a while. Not this specific one, but pretty much the same style. So I repurchased it just to give you guys a review because everyone is in love with this wig when I wear her to work. Okay, this is the perfect work wig. This is the perfect throw on and go wig. This is the perfect beginner friendly wig. But that's enough rambling. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up if you are new here. It does help push me out. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything, and make sure your notifications bells are on because I drop videos randomly sometimes. Okay, let's jump in.
Takers and givers, I've been caught the latter. But am I really a giver if I don't give to myself? Don't take care of my health, care for everyone else. I usually give away my best, but get into this reset.
Alright darlings, so I am finished with this wig. Are y'all feeling these short wigs? Because I am. I know it's shocking for me. I think I'm like really in my short wig, short hair era right now. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, so just a few specs. This is from the Dashly collection. This is from Sensational. This wig right here is beginner friendly. This is actually my second time purchasing this wig. Okay, I'm going to talk about that in 2 seconds. But this is Dashly unit number 17 and I have the color number 2. This is a full wig. It does come in other colors. Yeah, so you get a lot of pretty colors in here. So yeah, I first saw this wig on Pretty Face Productions on TikTok. And I had to get this wig, and I initially got this wig just for work, and we call her Regina, and this is my wig right here. But I had to get a new one fresh out the pack to show y'all what it looked like, because after a while these wigs do get a little stiff, you know, a little ratty. They're synthetic, understand what you pay for. But I love this wig, y'all. Like, this is my throw on and go wig. I like that it's like a pixie cut. I know we're going more into fall, but you cannot go wrong with a wig like this. This is a everyday beginner friendly wig, a plop on and go. I get so many compliments when I wear this wig, which I'm shocked because I don't know, I guess people like this look on me, or it's just so sleek and sophisticated, you know? But I like it. I like this wig, and I don't have any complaints. I actually got a couple free items with this wig. Like, people respect me differently. This wig combined with my scrubs, oh my goodness, people go crazy. I really do like this wig, so I did repurchase it and I don't regret it. I think this is a wig that probably will be repurchased a lot. The cap feels good on this wig. I don't have any issues. The only con that I might have with this is the fact that it is synthetic. It is a little scratchy with the hair fibers. That's the only issue that I have with this wig. But other than that, come on y'all. This wig was like so affordable. You can't go wrong. Easy peasy. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Would you wear a wig like this? Like, I don't do much with this wig. I put this wig on like a hat. Okay, let me know what y'all think about this one. Do you want to see more short wigs? And if you want to see stuff reviewed sometimes, just leave it in the comments. You never know, I might pick it up. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.
Get into this reset. Get into this reset. Take a skill for stopping.